In this tutorial, I will show you how to install a local Voyant server, and we will do that first by going to the browser and Googling Voyant server GitHub and click on this link. On this page, we have to scroll down and go to latest release. And here we have the server file. And click on it and press Save File. Now it's downloading. This will take a while. Once the download is done, you can go to your download folder, and here you have the Voyant server file. You can unzip it either by double clicking or control click and open with archive utility. It might take a moment to unzip. And now here you have the folder, and in the folder you have the voyant server.jar file. And to open this file, you have to control click and say open. Now it'll give you a warning saying it's from an unidentified developer. You can ignore that and say open anyway. Now you can see the Voyant server started, and now you have to wait for a new tab to open in your default browser. This is all you have to do to install your local Voyant server, and you can see that it's a local server by the numbers in the field up here, whereas if you were using the online version, you would have the voyanttool.org URL up here. Now, once you're done working with it, you can close the browser and then go back to the Voyant server window, click Stop Server, and then go to File and Exit. Sometimes you will get an error message, but you can ignore that and click OK.